In this example, I'm going to just look at changing an exponential graph equation into log equation, but I'm going to show you two different parallel ways to do it. You only need to do one of these, but I just want to show you both for your learning. And so I see here that they're asking me about the inverse, and so step one, like always, I'm just going to swap the x and the y. And my goal is to get y by itself. So if I need a power, I use logs. The base of the exponent is the base of the logs, and it never looks the same. So this can't be the y option, so it must be the x. What do I put here? Y minus y. I put whatever's there as the power. And then if I have to get y by itself, I'm just dividing both sides by a negative. So there I've got y by itself. I personally like to just get in the habit of writing my final answer in inverse form, and so there's your answer for that one. The other way that you could do it is you could look at the question and say, I don't really want to work with negative exponents because I know it could give me a headache later, and so all that means is that that's your answer. So that's how you could change a negative exponent, just by making it 1 over 4. And again, I'm just going to apply the same thing. So if I need to, I'm going to get y by itself. That means I need to use logs. So the base is the base, and it never looks the same. And so what we've learned from this is that an answer of negative log with a base of something is the same as just that number down there to the negative whatever number's in front here. So these two, if you see either of these examples, they mean, and they come back to the same original. Then if I need to work out this answer, determine the inverse of 32, rather than just saying, oh, here's where I finished and I got the inverse equation, I'm going to sub 32 in here. It can be easier to, if you need to show you're working out, to do something like this. Let me just sub this x value, because it's h of x, into the step where I did the inverse. And so it would be 32 equals 4 to the negative y. I'm going to try to get the same base on both sides. So that would be 4 is 2 to the 2. Then if I drop the bases, it would be 5, and this times is together. When you've got a power to the power, the way I remember it is that it's separated by brackets, so you times them together. And so if I want y by itself, it's just negative 5 over 2. And so hopefully that was helpful, just to see that there are two different ways you can go to get a negative exponent into logs, as well as where is easiest or best to sub in when you are trying to work that out. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends.